Why? Because the sheet is just a reflection of what's in your conditioned mind. That's it. Oh, I don't really have to do these because I didn't make them up. I would have made up different ones. Better ones. There you go. That's you. That's your conditioned mind. That's the one that keeps you at your 5. I'll consistently think about doing it better. I won't do the work now because I'm always looking for something better. Anybody here always looking for something better? Yeah, always looking for something better. That's it. We'll do it better. This is in front of you. Won't do this one though. But that's the thing. There's always something in front of you that you won't do. So, I don't mean to be terse, but I need you to learn the lessons that you came here for. It's not about the sheet. It's not about the exercises on the sheet. It's about your character. And building a character of an enlightened warrior, a winner. Someone who will do whatever it takes to succeed and have the life that they're looking for. So that said, I acknowledge you for anything and everything that you did do, and I know a lot of people here did a lot of the work. It's not just about the work. If you look at your sheet, you will see your life on your sheet. So a lot of people, for example, they might have everything. I saw something, their whole sheet is filled up completely. And then you have to ask them how they feel about it. So I have to ask them specifically. But this may be a great thing, but it also might be a person who likes to be busy. Right? Or is over meticulous, you know. Every point. I have one guy in Toronto. He's an East Indian guy, and he learned this when he was young. Very sweet man. Teaches meditation, everything. He has rearranged his entire chart because this one wasn't good enough, right? And everything's got a column. He's got an exact point. He does it on a computer now, right? So everything is perfect. Do you imagine? And ask him how much money he's got. Well, I'm going to have money. I will have money. You know, when I can get my right thing. Yeah, when you can get your right thing, it's got to be perfect, doesn't it? Right? Other people are just, you know, they got to make it look busy, right? Whatever. And that's what they're into. They're not into doing it. They're not into learning about it, but they're into just going through the motions. So it's more than just going through the motions. That's what I say. It's not. It's not that, right? So what